Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Vanapalli again, and thank you so much for watching all my previous videos. I'm so happy with the response and the support that you guys are really giving me. So today I've come up with a new concept, and this is going to be helpful, I guess. This was helpful for me as well, so that's the reason I'm doing this video. In general, I love matte lipsticks, and whenever I use matte lipsticks, the finishing is totally amazing. And recently I purchased two cream lipsticks and I was not happy with the texture and the finishing as well. So I was disappointed. So I thought I'm not gonna use these lipsticks at all, and that is when I found this trick or a tip in order to make these cream lipsticks look like matte lipsticks, absolutely without any kind of liquid. So today quickly I'm gonna show you how to make these cream lipsticks look like matte lipsticks. So these are the two colors. This is 72 number and this is in shade Nectar, and this is Passionate Pink and shade 7. So I'm gonna apply this on the upper lip and this on the lower lip, vice versa. You can do it anyway. All that you need is just a tissue and some loose powder. You can just use a talcum powder as well, and I'm going to show it to you right away how to mattify it. It removes the excess as well, and the finishing would be absolutely mattified. So once you take the excess with the tissue, what you can do is you can apply the lipstick again. Now what you need is just some talcum powder, and put the tissue on the lips and just press it with the talcum powder. This is how the finishing looks like, and I hope you all would like this video. This is a very useful video for people who hate or for people who doesn't entertain cream lipsticks at all, and who really love matte lipsticks. And if you purchase cream lipsticks, you can definitely make into matte lipsticks without any additional price. So thank you so much for watching this video again, and I hope you all would like this video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel as well. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe it and also watch my previous videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.